All right, what I'm about to show you right now is why using your My Favorites, Save Records, Save Searches, and Search History is so important. First, you're going to have to sign into your account. As you can see, this is my account. So if I click on my account, you'll see a bunch of the other features. And if you go up to the right to the pin, it says Go to My Favorites. Now, if I go to My Favorites, you will see Saved Records, Saved Searches, and Search History, which all of mine right now are 0. But I'm going to research the Antietam battle. And if I click Enter, now I've searched the battle. And as you can see, all of these books come up. So I'm going to hit Add this item, add this item, add this item, and add this item. Now, as you can see, they're all heading up to my pin. And if I click My Favorites again, it says my saved records are 4, but I don't have any saved searches. So if I go to my search history and I see that I've looked for Antietam, I can go over here and I can add this search. So if I click Add this search, it is now part of my saved searches. And I can click this again and it automatically comes back to the search that I chose, with the records that I've already saved highlighted. So this is the first benefit of signing on and using My Favorites.